In this video, I will show you how to create user labels in the Help Center in Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho account. Next, click on Settings at the top of the screen. Once you're in your settings board, scroll down under Channels and click on Help Center. You will be redirected to the Help Center board. Click on the hyperlink to open it. On the left side, you will see a list of menu options. From here, click on User Labels. Now, click on Create Label. Then fill in the details such as the label name and personalization. Once you're done, click Save. When you go back to the User Labels list, you will see that your new label has been successfully created. And that's how to create user labels in the Help Center in Zoho Desk.